Welcome to this Solnex guide and review. Learn how to get started, how to stake in the Solnex platform with BNB and Solana. Okay, so let's go inside a little bit of information here that will give you an idea of what Solnex is. Basically welcoming you to Solnex by accessing or using their platform. You agree to be bound by the terms and conditions, cryptocurrency staking contracts, then 2-level referral program with commission earnings, country leader rewards program, deposit and withdrawal services, user dashboard, and analytics. And cryptocurrency investments carry risk. We all understand that. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Now, to be eligible, who can use Solnex? Well, you have to be at least 18 years old. Now, I know that's going to be hard to kind of determine sometimes, but it depends on the jurisdiction or where you are on this earth as well. Have the legal capacity to enter into binding contracts, okay? We won't go through all of the details. Staking contracts, they've got 2 right now. Okay, the starter contract, which is $50 per contract, and it states right there what it's going to do for you. And then the pro contract of $100. Okay, and then obviously the process and the rewards possibly at the end are going to be much higher, much stronger. And they go through a loan structure, a staking split, profit lock, capital recovery. This is all what Solnex does in the staking process. You don't really have to go deep dive into that. Just know that you can actually possibly turn $50 into $7,000 in a year. I hope that's possible. The way that they've set it up, it looks like it's possible in the cryptocurrency space, knowing what they do with using crypto nodes online. And I understand the nodes part that most people don't realize, and that's pretty much what they're doing, okay? The staking split, they say, is 60% of funds are staked in BNB and 40% of funds are staked in Solana, so they're obviously diversifying that. And Solnex guarantees the minimum profit shown for each contract if actual staking returns are lower. Solnex will cover the difference. It's a 2-level referral program. And then the country leader, if you get so far and you're signing up people and then they do quite a bit more, then you'll get this country leader bonus. Deposits and withdrawals, as we'll go over here in a moment. And then there are fees, 1% withdrawal, which I really like. So if you're going to withdraw $100, it's only $1 to do that. If you're going to withdraw $1,000, it's only $10. Well, actually, no, it's $1. And if it's $100, it's only 10 cents. So that's actually pretty good. Okay, so actually, no, if it's $100, it's 1%, it's $1. So if it's $1,000, it's $10. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, prohibited activities. You can go over that yourself. I don't want to kind of say that. Limitation of liability, the governing law, changing terms. You can click on that, and then you can accept that. Let's get into our back office. So as you can see, it's a very simple back office here in the Solnex platform. If you want to purchase the big packages, like purchase a $1,000 package and then get an extra $500 on top of that, then you go to this big promotion that they have here. They also have one for the $500 package, and you get an extra $250 on top of that, okay? Now, you can see I haven't really done anything with this. I signed up months ago, but I didn't really pay attention to it. And I'm at $110 balance right now. I've invested in 1 contract so far. I'm really thinking and looking into putting in 10 contracts, probably at $1,000 total, and getting that $500 bonus. And it's really simple. The contracts are right here, and I like the way they have the contract set up. You click on that, left click on that contract, and you can see it activates. And then you go to the invest portal where you can scroll down and see how much you've earned on one contract so far and what the contract is, the daily accumulation is going to be. And then you scroll down here and you can see that if I want to purchase a $50 contract, I left click and all of a sudden the starter contract is selected. Okay, and I left click on the $100 contract, it does the same thing. Then you obviously have to agree here and then stake now. And you're going to have funds in your account, which I did show you on that one earlier, a couple days ago. Then you have the referrals and then the leaderboard. Okay, now this one also goes to the bottom here. See that? This is where we know where we can get inside and top up. So let's go back to the dashboard. This is the main dashboard, and you can see I can scroll down here. So what you can do is you can go to the top up feature to make a deposit. Okay, it's fairly simple. And you put in the amount, or they have a quick amount here for you. It's all with BNB BEP Tether 20, BEP 20. Which is the BNB USDT tether for the BNB platform. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're sending from that staking platform, okay, or that cryptocurrency, the US dollar tether, BNB or BEP 20. Okay, you can put in whatever amount here you want, and then what happens is you continue, say with $100, and you scroll down here, and it tells you USD BEP 20 network, generate address, okay? And the generate address means that you're generating an address that you're going to send it to for them, okay? That's what you're generating. And then you send it from yours to this generated address. That's how simple it is. And it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. I've had friends already tell me that it actually goes faster than that, okay? And then you can see your staking contracts. You can click on new here, and it will go right to that spot. See that? Where you've got the staking contract here. It tells you what percentage you're at. And then there again is the way to purchase those contracts, okay? And this is very self-explanatory. It's very straightforward. You're staking BNB and Solana. Okay, so I have no reason to worry about this platform. It's been rolling since March, and it seems to be rolling pretty well. If you do decide to refer to other people, the direct level is a 30%, and then the secondary level is a 5%, okay? So that seems to be pretty good. Then you've got all these buttons down here, and you got the invest, your contracts, your team. You can transfer any monies that you have on here to other teammates. You can withdraw. You have to have at least one contract to actually make a withdrawal, okay? And then you have your profile. So I can say that this thing is paying out. It's consistent. And it's up front. Now, the actual staking does not pay out until the end of the year. It's 365 days. And then we'll see from that point which way they go, sending it with your BNB BEP, which I think they will. They might as well send it back to your BNB and or your BEP 20, your stable coin, okay? So hopefully that's helped you. If you're interested, there's a link below to get started, and I will see you on the next video.